Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle the touchpad on MSI Cyborg 15. There are two methods of doing that, and doing it with the first method, if you disable the touchpad using the first method, you won't be able to enable it using the second method, so you need to know both. And the first one is very simple. It's just by using the keyboard. On the keyboard, you'll see the F4 key. If you click on it and nothing happens, then you can click on Fn and F4 together. Now my touchpad is disabled. You can see the cursor does not move as I touch the touchpad. Now, if you want to switch it up so you don't have to press on Fn and F4 together to toggle it on and off, you can click on Fn and Escape. If Escape key is lighting up now, clicking on F4 alone will result in toggling the touchpad on or off. Now I have it on, and let's go to the second method. So if you enable or disable it through the first method, you won't be able to enable or disable it through the second one, and vice versa. So now I'm just gonna using the touchpad go to the settings. Later on I'm gonna show you how to enable it if you don't have access to your touchpad. So first you'll just need to go to Bluetooth and devices in settings, then go to touchpad and find this toggle button. You can toggle it off. Now my touchpad doesn't work. So what I should do is I'm gonna click on Alt. First I'm gonna disable it. Okay. I'm gonna click on Alt F4 or Alt Fn F4 to just close the window. And then click on Windows key on your keyboard, start typing in settings. Then click on space, or no, actually enter to find them. Then click on Tab key on your keyboard to point on home. If you go too far, then simply click on Shift and Tab. While you're pointing on home, use the arrows to go down to Bluetooth and devices, then click on space. Now click on Tab to go to devices. Then use the arrows to go down to touchpad, click on space and click on space again. Now my touchpad is working. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.